In today's tutorial, it's morel mushroom season here in Kentucky. My dad finds these every year. I'm going to show you how to fix them, so grab your apron and let's get started. Morel mushrooms, we call them dryland fish. Some people just call them mushrooms, morels, or morels, and they're very good to eat. They are very good. They're very rich. What you need to do first, if you find some of these, is just cut them lengthwise. They have two halves. I don't have one here that's a whole one, but they look like that. So you just need to cut them down the middle, cut them in half, put them in the refrigerator, and soak them in salt water for a little while, maybe a couple hours, and that kills all the little bugs that's in all these little holes in them. So what we're going to do now, these have been sitting in the fridge overnight anyway. So I'm going to take these over here and rinse them off one by one underneath the water, and then we'll get started cooking. Okay, I've washed my mushrooms and I got them over here drained. What we're going to do is take a bowl and we're going to use self-rise and cornmeal mix, and I have a half a cup here. So I'm going to put a half a cup and then maybe a half cup, probably about another fourth. It's going to be like 2 parts cornmeal and then a half a cup of self-rising flour. And then I'm going to add minced or garlic powder there, and pepper, black pepper, and salt, and just mix that up with my hands. If you want to put it directly on your mushrooms, you can do that. And then we'll just take our mushrooms and just cover them up. Now my mom, she rolls them in egg before she does this. You can do it either way you'd like, and just kind of shake the excess off and put them in a container. And just do that until you get them all covered. I've got them all battered up, so we're going to take them over here to our skillet, and I'm getting it warmed up right now with some vegetable oil. Just let it get hot, and then we'll stick them in the oil and let them fry. When you place them in the skillet, just be sure not to burn yourself in the hot grease. You can also deep fry these in a deep fryer if you want to do them that way. But just fill up your skillet and let them fry until they're golden brown. And just turn them with like tongs or something like that. And you need to get a plate and put a paper towel in it. That way when you take them up, you can just put them on that paper plate and it'll drain the oil. So I'm going to fill up my skillet here and let them fry. As you can see around the edges here, they're starting to get brown. So we need to start turning them just one at a time. Get that pretty golden brown color. And just turn them all until they get brown on the other side, and then we can take them up. Our mushrooms are nice and brown, so we can start taking them out of our skillet and place them over here on our paper towel to drain. And that's how you fix morel mushrooms. If you've enjoyed my tutorial, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon.